We'll stitch satin stitch. Satin stitch has two methods. Before stitching, divide pattern into two halves. Like this, draw a line in middle. Divide it into two halves. We come up at middle position. Then take down at vertical lower position. First divide pattern into two halves. We'll use first method to stitch. Come up close to previous stitch. Take down below. Again, come up close to previous stitch. Again, take down below it. When stitching, adjust stitch length. According to pattern shape, each entry and exit must be on drawn line. This way can form outline shape. Each stitch must be arranged tightly to create smooth, flat satin effect. When stitching, maintain even spacing. Avoid overlapping stitches or exposing base fabric. Otherwise won't look good. After finishing this side, next we'll stitch this side. Using second method. Just now that side was arranged stitching. This side we can come up here first. Stitch several long straight lines. Divide it into small sections. This way stitching will be easier. Here I stitched two lines. Divided it into three small sections. Start from this section first. Come up close to previous stitch. Take down vertically below it. Come up. Take down below. Following this method, also stitch this side. Satin stitch, very suitable for small area filling, or stitching flowers and leaves. All good choices. Take down. Let's see the overall finished effect.